Welcome back. Goa Citizens Welfare Trust complained of violation of human rights at the protective home at Mauritius. Trust exposed that a 5-year-old kid has been kept in the protective home with a mother who's under arrest. The NGO Goa Citizens Welfare Trust has demanded that the child should be moved from the protective home to a safer and a healthier environment. Have a look at this video clip. Goa Citizens Welfare Trust claimed that a 5-year-old kid has been kept with a mother who's under arrest. The child is kept with other females with the age group of 20 to 24 years who are kept here in various cases like prostitution and other cases.
There is a 5-year-old baby, a baby girl, 5-year-old baby girl who has been, her mother is arrested. What fault is it of that child, you tell me? Okay, the government has, the people who are responsible for keeping these people in that place should have at least found a proper appropriate place for that little girl. You all can arrest people, dump them and forget about them for 7 months. Don't they realize that there is a little child, a 5-year-old child who needs to be with little children, who needs to be educated?
Violation of human rights.
This is total violation of human rights.
Later, the trust member along with some national NGOs visited the protective home at Mauritius. However, they were denied entry.
We are not here to do anything wrong. We already have the child care, the people from the child care, okay, the NGO, because there is a child over here that is kept over here with her mother. The mother has been pleading with us to get the child put in a safer place, in a more hygienic place where she can get education and she can get proper treatment and she can be with the other children. Besides this little girl being over there, there are other 7 or 8 young girls between the age of 20 and 24 who are over here for more than 7 months. No inquiry has been done. Why these girls have been captured over here? No, nothing.
A video journalist from Panji, Dinesh Karpe. BJP State President Lakshmikant Parsekar has ridiculed the allegation of Congress desk in charge Sudhakar Reddy. Parsekar has challenged the opposition leader to stage a constructive criticism in the upcoming assembly session. BJP claims that the Congress has no issue to criticize the government, hence they are picking up petty issues.
हाचो अर्थ टिका करीसारखे कांयच ना एक आणि किमान खंयचे तरी सोदून असले आपण उलयतात असले गोष्टी तरी विधानसभेत तरी उलया.
Parsekar addressed media on Monday. He says the claims by Congress Goa desk in charge with respect to Shah Commission's report are baseless. It is being reported that the commission has indicted the Gambar Kamal-led government for illegal mining and the revenue loss.
ह्या आरोपात म्हणजे मुळीच तथ्य ना, म्हणजे बेजबाबदारपणे केलेले हे आरोप असतात.
Health Minister Parsekar has also ridiculed Reddy's claim that the ministers in Parrikar-led government are suppressed.
हे सरकार हे लोकशाही पद्धती निवडून आलेले सरकार असा. गोयच्या जनता जनार्दनान लोकशाही पद्धतीन निवडलेले हे तथाकथित भाई सरकार असा. त्यामुळे काँग्रेसीच्या भाई सरकारापेक्षा रेड्डी म्हणतात ते गोयचे भाई सरकार हे गोमंतकीयांक जास्त प्रिय असा किंवा त्या मंत्र्याक निर्णय घेवपाचे स्वातंत्र्य ना किंवा कुवत ना आणि हांगासरले सरकार हे एकाधिकारशाहीन चलता हे म्हणप योग्य न्हय. काँग्रेसवाल्यांक ते दिसू शकता कारण आरोग्य मंत्री म्हणून फाटलो मंत्री वावरता असताना PWD मिनिस्टराक तसेच पंचायत मिनिस्टर असत किंवा अर्बन डेव्हलपमेंट मिनिस्टर असत ह्या सगळ्यांनी फाटले फावटी त्याच दृष्टिकोनातून काम केले.
A video journalist from Panji, Onkar Farari. Congress has practically demanded postponement of development of Mopa Airport. They have asked the Goa government to first develop the Daboli Airport into an international airport and then go in for Mopa. The party has asked government to develop local human resource for the Greenfield Airport. However, when asked why did Congress government go ahead with the land acquisition for the new airport, Desh Prabhu had no logical answer.
It is unfortunate that after he has come to this governance, the first thing he has taken up is to attempt to introduce the high security number. The Congress stopped this proposal because there was a public ire and a public outcry. But he has gone further. He is using every proposal of the Congress party to put in his saffron people and saffronize the state. I want the minorities to understand that any of this influx of human resources from outside the state and a huge influx, you will require more than 7,000 to 8,000 people to run an airport of this size. The available human resource, unless developed, the Mopa airport and all other things will not be fruitful for Goan people. This government was not looking at the Mopa airport at that time. They were looking at developing the Dabolim airport to a full-fledged international status. Now that Mr. Manohar Parikar's wise wisdom has created a situation where he has taken confrontation with the union government both on various departments. These departments, the confrontative approach of Manohar Parikar is going to have an ill effect on Goa and its people.
Video journalist from Panji, Prajot Pednekar.
Residents of Housing Board in Kurturi are facing acute water shortage. They complain that the water supply is irregular. Moreover, the residents are fed up with the muddy tap water. Agitated locals claim that even after complaints, authorities have failed to act. They have now threatened of morcha at CM's residence.
Local residents of Housing Board in Kurturi gathered complaining about irregular water supply for the last 5 to 6 days. They claim that the water that has been supplied by the PWD is muddy.
हे आम्ही पिऊन कशे म्हणून हे करपाचे 5 दीस जाले आमकां उदक ना कशे म्हणून आम्ही हे करपाचे रांदपाचे खंय पिवपाचे खंय आमकां हांगा खंय बांय बी ना कांयच ना
आता हे उदक
नळाक येता असले हय
आणि बाकीचे उदक येना तुमकां
ना बाकीचे मागीर केन्ना 1 वरा नंतर मागीर बरो उदक येता
पयली
घाण्यार उदक येता
आणि कितले वेळ येता उदक
5-10 मिनिटां येता आणि परत वयता.
The authorities have failed to take action even after series of complaints. They have now threatened to march to the CM's residence protesting against the irregular water supply.
पयली सुद्धा उदक आमकां प्रॉब्लम आशिल्ले आता सुद्धा आमकां उदक प्रॉब्लम आसा ते काय एक्शन घेना ते एक्शन घेना जाल्यार आमी सीएमा कडेन डायरेक्ट आमी सगळे वाड्यावयले मोर्चा वयता मोर्चा घेवन येता आमी सगळे वाड्यावयले सगळे एक सुद्धा उरपाना आमी सगळे मोर्चा करून आमी सीएमा फुडें वयता ते फुडले एक्शन घेना आनी आमकां प्रॉब्लम आसा आनी सकयल 8 म्हयने जाले पै फुटले आहा तांकां 100 फावटी फोन केल्ले आसा ते कोण केरीच घेना पै फुटले अजून सुद्धा उदक व्हांवता थिंगा लोकांक फ्रेशर मेळना उदक आतां पावसून सुद्धा आमकां उदक मेळना गिमान सुद्धा उदक.
A reporter from Margaon, Samir Bhatt.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.